morning, America. Good morning, Utah. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, so we're out here, Salt Lake, ready to have a good day, amped up. We're gonna have some fun too. I mean, I know that the East Coast guys, 3 guys are going for the championship, so that's gonna be pretty fun to be in the mix. And yeah, track's looking awesome. Got a little moisture in the dirt, and ready to have a good day.
Yeah, Cole had an unfortunate event happen in practice today. Just kind of missed a rhythm and rolled and ended up getting landed on by another rider. He's at the hospital now. We'll get some x-rays done and some scans done and find out what the full extent of the injury is. But Cole, he ended up winning Rookie of the Year today, which is awesome. We're proud of him, all his efforts, everything. But yeah, this one will probably sideline him for a few. But yeah, as we know more, you'll know more.
I did 2 good laps. Yeah. 2:48 threes.
Yeah.
Yeah, would have been 5th overall.
You'd have been the fastest in segment 4 overall. Combined with just riding the life on the edge.
I'll take the little wins. Yeah.
You gotta start. You
gotta
start with a win.
I'll frame this.
Yeah, literally.
I'll frame this.
For us?
Both qualifying ones were good. Second one I crashed twice, so I got that out of the way. But it's good. Like 3 years ago, here was the first time I was P1 in practice, so good memories here too. Like Denver last weekend, and just feeling good. Last round, I get to go home tomorrow to Brazil after, so I'm looking forward to that too. Just enjoy the night.
Can you reflect for me a little bit, just looking back on the season? Like how do you feel about it?
It was tough, because I came in not halfway, but 3 rounds in, if I'm not mistaken. So I didn't really get the prep that I wanted, the laps and testing with the bike. But the last few weeks I've been training and really feeling good on the bike, and the results and the speed show. But just it wasn't really what I was hoping for this season. I felt like I could have done much better, but it is what it is. I'm still here, still healthy. Hopefully get a good heat race, good main, and yeah, just go home healthy and be back next year. Maybe we'll see what happens.
Awesome. And it's actually drier.
I was gonna say today the track's harder.
Yeah, this is full on West Coast track.
Yeah, it's full West Coast. I haven't ridden a track like this all year.
Right, I know exactly. That's your team. That's the team's fault.
It's hard to adapt to something on one day. Practice could have been better. I kind of missed the mark on setup the first practice, and then just kind of been chasing that a little bit today. So I like the layout. Layout's fun, good. I think it'll be good for racing tonight. It's just got to get a good start, and there's gonna be a lot of chaos being last round, and a lot of guys in the title on the East Coast. So just try and stay out of the chaos and just be on the bike.
Thank you so much.
Hey Cody, can you shout out a happy birthday to my nephew? His name's Popeye Ruby.
Papa Ruby?
Popeye Ruby.
Popeye Ruby?
Yeah.
All right, happy birthday, Popeye Ruby.
Thanks, man.
Today, it's one of those days where I really do enjoy the track. I'm struggling. I've hit the ground twice pretty good, so going into the night show, just try to honestly enjoy it. I've been trying to tell myself that it's the last round, enjoy it, and try to end the season with a smile on my face. So, yeah, it'll be all right. It's racing. There's highs and lows. Just try to stay level-headed, and yeah, it's just qualifying. So, fortunately, I'm a racer, and yeah, I look forward to the night.
Been on the struggle bus all day. Road press yesterday felt great. Came out this morning and just haven't found a good flow around the track, making too many mistakes and can't seem to get all the lines put together. So hopefully turn that around for the heat race and get in the main event.
What's this beef we got going on with the beta rider Benny Bloss? I'm hearing some rumblings.
When he puts on his bar pad, take out 43, it just doesn't sit right with me. I do my best to be as good of a friend to him as I can, and that's what I get in return.
Hey, Rosie, SLC, how are we feeling about it?
Yo, SLC, that's so hype. It's so new era. Overall, I feel really good. Been able to hit all the rhythms, and I think my ideal lap, if I put all my segments together, is really, really strong. So, yeah, looking forward to a good night. Good start so far, so yeah, happy to be here. When I consider where I came from, being on the couch, injury after injury after injury after injury, to now being competitive, I'm a lot more comfortable on the bike. Just this last couple of rounds, we did some big work, and I feel just a new world. So it gives me a lot of confidence that going forward, I can really start competing for wins and titles in the future. And you know, knowing that I would start with this base next year, it'd just be a different world, you know. After missing so many races for so many years, it felt like a rookie again, and I don't feel that way anymore. I'm really starting to get in my groove, and it feels good.
I think it's going to come down to a start tonight, and I feel good on the track, so I'm ready to give it a good 15-minute fight, and hopefully we can win tonight and go another win on a shootout. It'd be great.
Yeah, we're chilling. Qualifying went good. I think we're sitting P2. Yeah, last round we had to get the championship wrapped up, so that's a stress reliever. We'll just have some fun tonight. It'd be nice to get a win on the East-West shootout. We won here last year, so yeah, ready to have some fun.
I still feel fresh because I'm only 8 rounds in, but yeah, last round feeling good. It's, I feel like I'm in the mix today, so yeah, excited to go racing here tonight. Let's see if we could have a good result.
We caught you giving away a jersey. What was the reason for that?
Yeah, I mean, I guess there's a lot of people that show up with my merch, and I don't have that many jerseys, but when I see one and I have a jersey sitting around, I'll try to get one out to someone that's wearing one of my shirts or something. So I don't know, something I try to do and just try to get back.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing that stands out to me is just like I'm more in the fight at the front. I feel like last year I had good rides, but I was kind of like a distant 6th or 7th, and just like kind of in my own race, doing my own thing. But now I feel like I have the pace to be in the battle up front, and that's you know, it's a lot better feeling than just, you know, riding around in 6th. So yeah, I think the biggest contribution to that is just my 2nd year. It's learning more and getting used to the class, getting more confident, and yeah, having better results. So yeah, same thing as Denver, really. Just it's going to be pretty dry, and then I bet they'll put a lot of water down for the night show. They'll start out muddy, and then it'll be good again for the night. So yeah, feeling good so far, P2. Hopefully we can get that top spot going to the night show and give it a run for the win tonight.
Trying to enjoy it. Obviously there's always a lot of pressure on this day, so we'll see how that transpires. But yeah, trying to enjoy it and having fun. Have a lot of friends and family here, and yeah, that, like I said, that practice was a lot better for me, so that gets me a lot more confidence and motivation for tonight.
What's the game plan tonight?
Yeah, just try to do the best I can, man. I feel great right there. Like I said, that practice was a lot better for me, so go try to improve qualifying this next one, and then I think if there's a win there, go for it, right? And everything's situational, but I feel like I'm riding well enough to win, so I want to take advantage of that.
Oh, this is going to be fun. It's all on the line as the SMX World Championship rolls on, and here is the champ, the newly crowned champion, Haiden Deegan. Ready to go, 250 West, here in Salt Lake City. Cody's on the inside, here comes Julian Beaumaire, but it's Danger Boy who leads them early. Degan just under 2 seconds over Beaumaire, then Cody shocked, but he's had a little bobble there, and that allows Beaumaire to get closer. Listen to the crowd. Inside goes Juju.
Haiden knew that was coming. He owed them well. Oh boy. Does it happen right here, James?
These guys have got history, and it hasn't always been that pleasant. Degan tries again. Tonight there's another pressure cooker situation because Justin Cooper and Malcolm Stewart are fighting over 3rd place in the title, 450. Heat number 1 here in Utah. Drop the gate. Let's do it.
Justin Cooper's been riding great these last few races. Outside of Chase Sexton, I believe he's been the fastest guy on the racetrack, and you give him a start, he might have an opportunity to get this thing rigged.
Last week, and I was watching the timing and scoring, James, and this dude right here, number 32, Justin Cooper, I mean, at times he was the fastest guy on the track, and that's saying something if you consider just how well Chase Sexton, the speed that he has had as of late.
Get ready for the second 450 heat. Oh, and who do we have in it? The 2 title contenders. Great start, Cooper Webb.
And this is checking off one of the boxes right here, getting that start in the heat race, putting yourself in a great spot.
6 wins on the season. Here we go for the lead. Cooper knows where he's at, what's at stake, and how it can be managed. And he knows that he holds the upper hand in this situation. It is the Dave Coombs Senior 250 East-West Showdown. Are you ready? It's time to bring the action. Degan leads them off with the whole shot. we haven't forgotten about the race leader. Haiden Deegan is a monstrous 7.5 seconds out in front, but he's already won his championship. Haiden Deegan, the 19-year-old, will pick up his 4th win on the year to win the last 2 races of the year. Checkit is out. Degan wins it.
Yes, bro, that was gnarly.
Dude, you should have seen the battle.
Oh, I heard it. I heard bikes wide open behind me.
It's championship time in Monster Energy AMA Supercross. 450 babies on. Plessinger with a blinding start. Webb's on the inside. And Cooper Webb goes to the lead. Great move on the inside of Plessinger.
What a ride by Coop, coming out here with authority, putting in some good fast laps early on, having really good intensity.
Here we go for the lead. Chase Sexton just gently checks where he is. Knew that he cleared him, no worries.
You got Justin Cooper not too far behind.
Exactly, yeah. He's two places back behind McElrath, and you know that he'll go into protection mode.
Yeah, I think he views him as a little brother. I truly do, and he has been so instrumental in the development of Justin Cooper. So it's going to be fascinating to watch this here.
Malcolm Stewart storms his way into 3rd.
He's going to surrender right here, ride it on into the finish line, James.
Yeah, Cooper knows how many positions he's got. Smart riding by all 3 of these guys. It is well deserved, probably his best ever championship, I would say, he's ever won. Oh, yeah.
The way that he's been the architect of an amazing season. In half a century of history of this sport, only 6 riders have won 3 championships. Well, that's now going to be 7, because with 1 corner to go, Cooper Webb is the 2025 Monster Energy AMA Supercross champ. He's done it!
Holy sh**.
Nice work, Coop. Nice job, buddy. Good work.
Yeah. Cooper, congratulations to you and your team on a great season. On behalf of the AMA, it gives me great pleasure to present you with the 2025 Monster Energy AMA Supercross Championship 450 #1 plate. Good job.
Oh man, it was crazy. Emotional roller coaster. It was a long main event. It was a tough main event, but we got it done, man. It's nothing tops this feeling ever. You know, my children's birth and this are top seed, man. It's incredible.
On behalf of Monster Energy Supercross and the SMX World Championship, congratulations on the 2025 Manufacturers Cup.
Yamaha's very excited to receive the Manufacturers Cup, and since it's results that base what manufacturer collects the cup, I want to thank and congratulate Star Racing 450, Star Racing 250, Cooper Webb on clinching his championship, Haiden Deegan on clinching the 250 West Championship, and Club MX on the racing results they achieved in Supercross this year. So thank you very much.
Great job, great season.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got the job done. Team did 1 and 3. That was the goal coming in, and yeah, we secured third in the championship. That's huge for me, my 2nd season. So definitely a good thing to get under the resume and build on for next year. So yeah, learned a lot. All 17 rounds again. So a lot of these seasons are long. I don't take it for granted making it to all these. So it's a tough sport out here, and yeah, just really pumped on how the season ended. 3 podiums in a row, and yeah, now we move on to the outdoors.
She wants me on a date. Yes, ma'am. Wait. Oh, sorry, I was raising up the huzz. Yeah, wrap on Salt Lake. That was dope. Coop got the championship. I got the win tonight. Dominant win, which I needed. Good way to end the season. Confidence coming in outdoors. And, I mean, when you win this last round like that, it carries all the way to the next season of Supercross, that confidence. So, stoked on that. And, yeah, outdoors up next. I want to defend that title, too. Keep the ball rolling. Congrats to Coop. And, yeah, P1 on the night. My lips are all red on the press conference. I'm supposed to go up there right now. You don't have clear? Mystery. Mystery.
For the interest of everyone's time, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Oh, we're good.